Hi there and welcome back. I did a lot of tutorials on this project to keep the tractor going. Initially, I started it for a Bolt game jam, and at the same time, I was making tutorials for it. For the next couple of days, I'm going camping, and I decided to share this project with you guys so you can check it out and look at some of the things that are in there that I haven't covered in the videos yet. It's probably not the cleanest project that you'll see, but I tried to cover some of the topics that would be interesting for you guys. I'll make the project available on itch.io, and there should be a link in the description. So if you're interested in seeing how all of the things that I covered in tutorials work together, check them out. There'll be some differences in the version that I showed for tutorials and the one that is up for download. I did some more improvements to it, and also I reused some of the logic that I created for some of the tutorials. So I created super units for some of the graphs. Once I get back from camp, I'll probably do something with inventory for Bolt. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified when the next video is going to be up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.